If you're going to be replacing your brake lines, please remember you must completely bleed the brake system before operating the vehicle after doing this job. Old rubber brake lines are often responsible for poor brake performance. As the car ages, the rubber begins to break down and can clog the lines, leading to very little pressure getting to the calipers. The brake lines should be renewed if they are old or if you are having problems with your brakes. The arrow points to the flexible brake line on the rear of the car that needs to be replaced. A required tool is the flared nut wrench that fully wraps around the brake line. If you use a standard wrench, then there is a high chance of rounding off the corners and permanently damaging the hard brake lines. These fittings are not very strong and will become stripped if you don't use one of those wrenches. Once the fitting becomes stripped, the line needs to be replaced, usually a special order part from Germany. Also, make sure that the fitting is turning, not the line. It is very easy to twist off the ends of the hard lines when the fitting binds. New stainless steel lines are identical in size and length to the original ones that ship with the car. The advantages to the stainless steel line is that they have a protective coating on the outside that prevents the elements from attacking them easily. There is a downside though. The stainless steel sheath does not allow you to inspect the rubber inside and see if there's any problems. Some of the aftermarket lines are made out of Teflon and have Teflon components to help increase their durability. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.